Hey, how's it going? Welcome back. Welcome to Aussie Dippy Dogs. Oh, these are a little cracker, mate. I'm telling you, these are great for kids' parties, for drinks with your mates, footy. Like, they're just awesome for everything. They are so cheap and easy to make. Now, let's just smash it out. All right, I'm going to do the sauce first. So first of all, we need half a cup of your favourite tomato sauce. And we need a quarter of a cup of your favourite barbecue sauce. Stick them all in your bowl. Give it a good mix in together until it's all one colour. Put some glad wrap on it and set it aside for a minute. Now the next thing we need to do is you need to get some fresh oil and stick it in your deep fryer and get that ready to go and turn it on to start heating it up. Now what I do to drain them, you can use paper towel, but it tends to make them a bit soggy sometimes, so you want them to be as crispy as possible. So I just get a cookie tray and then I get my cooling rack and put it on top, and it works perfect for doing it. Now if you haven't got one of these, you can use an oven tray and then just pull out your oven rack from your oven, sit that on top and just use that to do them. So get your oil on and heating up. Now we need our little mini cocktail Frankfurts. Oh, little hot dog Frankfurts. Oh, they're cute. Alright, so we just want to get a bowl out. I'm just going to use half a kilo for now and cut them up so when we go to deep fry them, we can just smash it all out in one go. Now for our batter, we need 1.5 cups of self-raising flour, a good wad of salt and pepper, 2 eggs, 1.5 cups of milk, and then we want to whisk it all in. I know, she's got a new whisker. Don't fall off your chair. Alright, whisk it all in really well. I'll just show you quickly before we go over to our oil. I always just chuck a few in at a time. Get them all submerged. So when I go over to the oil, I'll pick it up with the fork, scrape the bottom of the fork along the bowl, and then dump them in carefully. Alright? I just sort of show you that now because you might not be able to see properly when we get over there. So dip it in, make sure it's immersed nicely. Scrape the bottom, and in she goes. We can get a fair few in here. Just try and spread them out so they don't touch. Oh yeah, nice and golden brown. Look at this. Oh, yum. Take them out onto your tray. Chuck your next lot in. Now they stay hot for ages, but you do want to eat them while they're hot. Obviously not when they're extremely hot, because the colder they get, the soggy they'll get. Alright? So you've got to be really quick. And get them out there, they're all burning their fingers on them, they love them. How cool is that? Mate, this is going to be one of your favourite things to make. Everybody loves them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Look how cheap and easy they were. Awesome, eh? Oi, see you soon. Bye.